If you get 10 out of 10 in this general knowledge test, you are a genius. Question 1. What is the tallest animal in the world? Giraffe. Second question. What is the name of the wizarding school in the Harry Potter series? Hogwarts. Third question. What is 5 multiplied by 6? 30. Fourth question. How many continents are there on Earth? 7. Fifth question. What year did World War II end? 1945. Sixth question. What is the predominant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Seventh question. What does the HTTP in a website URL stand for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Eighth question. What is the name of the largest desert in the world? Sahara. Ninth question. Who is the Greek god of the sea? Poseidon. Ninth question. What is the name of the first artificial Earth satellite sent into space? Sputnik